Ngade Justin Mukti te nga long nga eye training igine ke staff hone te eye training ne po restaurant te eye training bo kitchen location. Don't think breakfast kami serve na dulu yo stang adu kami bije ni lawan yo on tea coffee tegi dan ki fruit juice ya kami lawan yo kan tu par lai chai ke fruit juice kami ni serve tegi dan ki cornflake ki tegi dan ki putharo kumoloi mo tegi dan ki japna ba do snyang nang tegi dan ki fruits ki kumki banana nang tegi dan ki cut fruits ya yo mix fruits ki ai pineapple nanti ai apple, dan ai susu wa ketika you save kalau kau hot ni dan buffet nanti kita bagi yo ikan kejumpang kejugi kalau kau traditional ketika Jepana abad kedua yang kau panggil lihat mana kasih ketika traditional kau panggil ken dan putra pun mulai ketika traditional jumpa boy kan ni kedua yang nomor baga breakfast bun senggi breaking kuah masalah ikan kuah gini jadi isu sedih ke play which I can get so sting and tabaka young no tambah long plain number go breakfast baru buat kita prefer long go you go long plain light bahkan you go kapok you know leg go plain ka breakfast ni ngise kalau breakfast agak buffet ke ba ni hen belong per head bed kalau rice part dan kasih di kan brew ya ke ba nadu ka bentuk lang tea coffee baru nadu baru sidang aduh kita ada breakfast ke jom pika buat laban bam kata galong lice pasikli tengi le aru gini breakfast ke ba you ke ba long ada kuat tangga you tengi lagi individual ala carte ke pi angma tengi le aru kita breakfast.
I'm here with Jadhi. It's a local restaurant and I hope you have tasted several foods, Indian, continental. But here we are coming to the roots of Riboy. These are traditional foods. It's called putharo, I hope. Yes. Pomoloi, and it's dosnyam. And again here, traditionally packed japna. Overall, it's a breakfast, and it's an excellent breakfast. If you want to taste something original in Riboy, come to Jadhi. And let me introduce to one of my friend, Lancius. He is a prominent actor of boy movies. Gradually, as the boy movies are coming up, traditionally, everything is coming up, everything is going. Now, let him comment a bit on the food, traditional food.
Hai nga ada Lancius Simli. Ngawan hang ni mta kaski ban di Isya ban Jepang step akan ika restoran berhasil dapat mai bak tengga Jadhi mat kalong tu masuknan mengapoi mentah ni ngalap bagi ni Jepang lokal jungi Jepang khasi Jepang tengah jungi bang nyimpat julap show mentah sikwi pak dijaga bakla khamduna mentah bagi kena mentah bat kiwi dijaga ngam lap show ngini Jepang tengah dengan so keman bang so salam bang ngalap mentah kini dijaga bangilam bangidan kini kai bang tungi sesuatu bang syukhet nak per nanta kini ki jimam kasi putharo pomoloi nang tahu push up ba kishat hinang ni na lokal dengan sukuman bangawan nanta step ni ban yo ban ma ikini ki jimbam kiri jimbam tengah ki ba la penmi hinang ni di jaga.
As far as rating is concerned, I would like to rate it 5 upon 5, and the real credit goes to two cousin brothers who initiated this thing and has brought the traditional food into an international level. And then the way they present out here are Mr. Madhav, normally it is cousin brother. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.